Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into this phone. Now before we get started, we will need one of these, a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you could also just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got one or the other, let's take off the cover if you have any. There we go. And you will have the tray on the bottom left side of the phone. So right over here, push it in, the tray pops out. And as you can see, you only have space for a single SIM card, so place it on the tray. Make sure it's laying flush on the tray, as you can see, and then insert it back in its place. Now my SIM card does have a pin, so when I unlock it, it will tell me to provide the pin for it. There we go. SIM is locked, so boom, and now it's unlocked. And that is how you would insert your SIM card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.